Come on.
All right, here, look here. We at James Menard. James, what you got going on, bud?
Some Cajun cornbread dressing.
Cajun cornbread dressing.
Yeah,
He's just starting it off right now. So we'll be back later.
Sausage, the Trinity, and cornbread. Oh, it's gonna be good.
That's good, man. I'm glad that we were able to make it out here today. That's Miss Menard back there. Hey, Shy.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. There's old Leo Tucker. Hey, that's the man. He makes Tucker wine.
Yeah, it looks like he's wearing the same mask as last year.
I know. And there's that young lady right there.
Emma Perry.
Emma Perry. All right. Hey, look.
Lafayette, Louisiana.
From Lafayette. All right, look, we going to visit someone else.
All right.
Hot dang. We'll be
Come on
back
and
later.
taste. It's too bad it's not scratch and sniff and scratch.
Well, I'm telling you, man, that would be good.
Or smell TV.
Hot dang.
Yeah.
Hey, James, man. You still getting it, bud?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
Only thing missing now is the cornbread.
That's it. Cornbread.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
I guess I could have made a cornbread, but I figured James make a better one.
Oh, I don't know. But it's
I know, man. You, man, what's going on, guys?
Not much.
So this is where the big pot is, buddy?
That's it. Cooking some chili.
Oh, man. Ho, ho, ho. Now that's looking good, bud. I tell you what.
Oh yeah.
Man.
It be on.
I'll be around after a while. Check it all out again, man. You doing okay, right, boss?
Good.
All
Good.
right. Hey, I'm gonna talk with you later, bud.
All right.
And there's Mr. Danny Moe.
Hey, they got
Danny Moe. And naturally, Danny got his stuff working. It's a little bit early for us to be looking at it, huh, Danny?
I can any way you want. Quick.
Can we get a quick look?
This one ain't much.
All right. Man, look at here.
It's just peach cobbler.
She got about 21 or 17 coals up there.
Oh, I don't know. I just put a ring.
Oh, hell, man. You had to get the stuff that I love, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Look at them ribs.
I knew you'd be impressed.
Dang.
And this is a peach cobbler, but it just started.
Yeah, now he's just starting this peach cobbler.
I ain't even put coals on the top yet.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
And then when all the 4-H kids get settled, I'm going to do a demonstration, put together a apple spice caramel dump cake.
Apple spice caramel dump cake.
Yeah.
Well, I know that's going to be good, boss.
Going to have some spice cake, some apple pie filling, some caramel, some butter, some 7-Up.
So you ready, Danny?
I'm ready. I'm going to show them how to cook one.
All right. Now, what kids are those?
It's the homeschool 4-H group.
Homeschool 4-H group.
From Iberia Parish.
From Iberia Parish. Man, that's awesome. Tell you what, I'm glad that we're able to be out here with the Latanier Cookers in Abbeville, Louisiana.
Look, this is one of your favorite guys back there.
What we got, partner?
Let me see who that is.
Something that might be good.
Oh yeah, that's the man right there. Look at him, boy. Look, let me show you what he got.
You might want to get 2 or 3 of them though.
Dang,
We'll take a little one. Whilst we right here, get another one.
Man, give me one little one, man, right there.
All right.
Right there. That's the one I want.
Shirley's
Boy,
not
look.
here. You can eat 2.
That's right.
Oh no, man.
And we're not going to say anything.
Won't say nothing, man.
Except, oh, it's good.
Lord have mercy. Time, man.
Still got to put heat on it to set the glaze.
Oh yeah, look at here, man. Look at here. And I tell you what, dang, dude.
Looks good, young fella.
How y'all doing, Chad?
Good.
Terrific. Welcome to the Latanier Cookers. Now this the man right here.
Yes, and we're cooking the boudin right here on site.
Look at that. Got that boudin working.
Almost looks good.
Dang, man, it look good, boss.
Yes,
Dang,
indeed.
it look good. Boy, I tell you what, you folks are missing a good time. There's the ladies right there. What y'all say, ladies?
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. This is the Raffles spot.
Yep.
It's all good right here.
Oh, some good stew.
Oh man, I've been passing through here after a while. Oh, yeah. Oh, look
They got
at
some
here, man. Oh. Have some cracklings. Yeah, I think I'll take a couple of them. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
And all donations are welcome. Man, I tell you what, this is an awesome place. Look at the
That's the raffle
basketball.
for the kids.
That's the raffle for the kids.
Yep.
That is good.
Treat raffle.
That's going to be good.
I don't want to.
And there's Miss Carleen Moe.
Hey, Chef Ted, how are you?
Doing just fine, Shan. How you doing?
We are doing great. It's a beautiful day at Palmetto. We're going to have lots of people. They're driving in. And this is one of our newest members,
Hi,
How you doing?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Hi, Brandon. I'm Chef Bork. Nice to
Hi,
meet you,
nice
guy.
to meet you.
Yes, sir. Well, listen, I'm going to look around and see what all they got out here, Shan.
Okay.
It all looks good.
Good seeing you today.
It's going to be a fun day. What you got setting up over here?
Oh, I got, let me see, sweet cornbread's coming, deviled eggs, and fluff. It's not out yet.
Sweet cornbread, deviled eggs,
And
fluff. And whole lots of candy.
Yes.
Hey, Shan, how are
Oh,
you?
yeah, you saw my shirt. Look.
Wait a minute. Oh, hell. That is nice. That is nice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay, Shan.
Well, we haven't started cooking yet, but it's...
Oh, no, me either. I'm getting ready to start cooking in just a few minutes, as soon as I get done here. Hey, guy, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing all right.
What you gonna have in that pot today?
We got fruit cocktail cake and a cornbread.
Oh, good deal, man. I'll be coming by later. I'd like to see some of that.
She said she's got
Thank you. Hey, guy, how are you?
How you doing?
Doing great, doing great. Good to see you, man. This is the real cook over here, boy. Now look, he's getting his cabbage together. Cabbage casserole. Oh man, that's that's gonna be good stuff, bud. Ah, dang. Oh yeah, and I said, is that gonna be in there with it?
It's all gonna be mixed up.
All mixed together. So you're a two-pot man. Oh yeah, man. Hey, that's good. That's good. Hot dang. Hey, we'll see y'all later when all this is really working good.
Okay.
And that's the one that really does all the work. You see her right there? She's cutting that cabbage. You go, girl. What's going on, buddy?
Oh, not a whole lot. It's starting to smell good.
Starting to smell good. I need to look in the pot. I mean, I got to, man. You done got me all excited out here. Cabbage casserole. So you've mixed them, you put them together already.
See, like Bob Barker, come on down.
Oh, come on down. Damn, that look good, boss. Lord have mercy. Man, tell you what. Hey, you folks, I'm Chef Bork. Chef Bork on YouTube.
Okay.
And I tell you what, you're going to enjoy this.
Looking forward to it.
Okay, where y'all from?
New Iberia?
New Iberia. Oh, well, look, man, you're right home right here.
There it is. Sorry.
Hey, this Vernon Cook right here now. Vernon's over here. He's going to help me stir my pot.
Stir the pot.
Check it out.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vernon.
All right.
What you cooking, Chef?
Today, Shay, I'm making the Here we go, the 4-H Club. That's from Iberia Parish, huh? Terrific, terrific. This is the 4-H Club right here. The kids over here today do some trick-or-treating. It looks like having a whole lot of fun. They're just setting up right now. This is great. This looks good. Hey, Miss Yvette. Hey, Shay. Boy, that there's the money makers here. They're here hitting the raffle. Y'all should be in Vegas, girls. Ka-ching. Hold on, man. I gotta get y'all, man. Look here. These people out here having a great time.
Oh yeah.
Good to see y'all out here. Make sure y'all stop by and get some Cowboy stew.
Oh, yeah.
Chef Bork. Oh, they getting it over here. Hot dang. Oh, Lord, he's riding all over the place, man. Oh, I got to see what's in the pot, man.
It's a fruit cocktail cake. It's done, Mom.
All right.
All right, we got a cocktail cake. What you say, bud?
Hey, not too much.
Man, that's looking
Check
good.
things out.
Dang, boy. Tell you what.
We got a sauce on the top there. That's my crawfish cornbread. Just put it on.
Crawfish cornbread. We just put it on.
It's jalapeno cornbread.
Jalapeno. Oh, sorry about that, man. Young man here
It's my
also
wife's
has
making a vanilla sauce to pour on top of the fruit cocktail cake. It's gonna
vanilla sauce
It's gonna
melting down right now. He's fixing it up to go on top of that cake. Woo-hoo! That looks good, boss. Dang, now that's your wife's project.
That's my wife's project. I'm helping.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you got all kind of stuff here, man. Look at him over there. That's the cornbread, eh?
Yeah.
The one your wife made?
Oh, she made this one.
She made this here.
Cocktail cake.
She had poured the icing on it already?
Yeah, it's a glaze.
So the icing's already on it.
What she put on that a glaze?
Vanilla glaze, yeah.
Look here, man. This guy here, he's carving that
I cut it all up
cornbread
into little
up.
pieces, you know, for serving, so it kind of messed up the looks of it. But
You didn't mess nothing up, huh?
messed up
That
the
means
flavor.
I got to take it to my place over there, man.
It doesn't mess with the taste.
Talk that over with her. Oh, yeah. What you got in the pot, bud?
Crackling cornbread.
Crackling cornbread. All right, so it's still making right now. And this one here is using lump coal. And I tell you what, it is doing a great job. What's your name, Chad?
Annette Reynolds.
Annette. Hey, Annette. Look here. You know you're stirring some Chef Bork's Cowboy stew, right?
Chef Bork, oh yeah.
All right, look at
first
that.
time,
Look
look at
her
it.
stirring it up, stirring the pot.
Oh yes, don't try
Hot
making sure it
dang.
don't stick to
Hey,
the
look, I'm
bottom.
gonna have to send a little bit home with you, Chef.
All right, that's fine with me.
All
I'm
right.
starting keeping it stuff to stick it off the pot.
All right, thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
This is National 4-H Week. This is the Iberia group of 4-H kids. And I tell you what, it's looking great, looking great. They're all having a good time today. National 4-H Week. Terrific. All right, hey, this is Larry Rucker. Larry over here at Palmetto Island State Park with the Latanier Cookers, and look, guess what he's doing? He's stirring the pot, yeah, stirring the pot.
And it looks delicious, man.
Oh,
Got a little
terrific. Hey,
ground meat, some corn, potatoes.
that's it, man. That's it, man.
That almost go good on rice.
Better believe, man. Look, that's a cowboy stew. Chef Bork style.
Yep.
Hey, Larry, you can say you helped me make the pot, bud.
Well, all I can say is I'm stirring the pot. You put all the ingredients in.
Thank you, Larry.
You're welcome.